Hello everyone, Dr. Poonam Sambhaji here, child and newborn specialist from Porvorim. Now let's start today's live session. It's almost 1 o'clock now. Okay, and today I want to limit myself to 10 minutes. So we are going to, I have put on already the timer so that I can set at 10 minutes. Okay, so the questions that I have received are too many, but I am going to take only that many which will fit in 10 minutes. The rest I will take tomorrow. So Hemant K from Belgaum has asked me, hi ma'am, my wife is COVID positive and it's her 13th day in hospital and she got delivered 24 days ago. How we can manage when she discharges from hospital? We can feed the baby mother's milk or she has to quarantine again for 15 days. No, Hemant, she need not quarantine for, she has to totally quarantine for 17 days. So, the 13 day of quarantine, so another 4 days she has to quarantine. The baby can very well go, stay with the mother. Baby has to have mother's milk. Only thing, mother has to wear a mask covering the nose and the mouth while she is breastfeeding the baby. Plus, mother should not come in contact with other people. Other way out is if at all the other people in the house are ready to look after the baby, which will be very rare, okay, because such a small baby will require the mother. Plus, if the baby is not with the mother, mother's milk supply may be affected. So, I would prefer let the baby be with the mother and breastfeeding continue, okay, with the mother wearing the mask. Second question is this is anonymous. Is there any chance of COVID if I have dry spit coming again and again? Okay, so see, dry spit, there may be so many other reasons of that dry spit. So don't take that so seriously. But yes, observe again symptoms of cough, fever, body ache, difficulty in breathing. Okay, if those are there along with other symptoms, even loose motions for that matter are symptoms of COVID. And do not take your fevers lightly, especially in this COVID season. There is one more question which will come later on, wherein the person asked me why every fever is considered as COVID these days. I will tell you while answering that question. So second question is again anonymous. Okay, same person. He has spit coming, but there is no fever and cold. Nothing. I have just dry spit. So don't worry. It won't should not be a COVID. Now, Sanchia D'Souza has asked me, I just wanted to know that my husband is gone to do PCR testing to go abroad and his report was tested positive. He is in home isolation for the 17 days. Just wanted to know, after he finished his 17 days, can he go back to do PCR test again because he has to fly back? Is there any chances of it coming positive again if he has running nose? Because last time when he did the test, he only had running nose and he was tested positive. Now, Sanchia, after his 17 days of quarantine are over, there are lesser chances that it will come positive. But by saying lesser chances, I don't mean to say that there are no chances. Okay, so just hope that it comes negative. Again, yes, he will have to repeat it before he flies because still many countries are not accepting people without the certificate of negative PCR report. Okay, so that your person who is doing your travel tickets will be able to tell you better whether he requires to do it again. I think he will require to do it. Next is I think she is anonymous because she has told me to keep her anonymous. This is a lady from Goa. She has written, I am married and I have a small family. My husband is 36 years old and he was found COVID-19 test positive. We have kept him in a separate room. He is also following the advice from the government health provider. I have a 21-month-old child, baby girl, and I am pregnant with my another baby, 4 months pregnancy now. 3 of us are tested negative, that is me, my baby and my servant are tested negative. Doctor, please give me some advice on this situation so we can stay safe. Now, anonymous lady, okay, see, if I hope you are listening to me. So, if you are listening to me, since you have already separated your husband, let him be there for 17 days. Whoever is providing food and other help to the person, see that you take your proper care by wearing a triple layer mask whenever you go in contact with the person. I would still prefer that you wear a shield which looks something like this. You must have seen many people wearing this, they wear it this way. Okay, so wear a shield, wear your mask inside and you should be ready to take care of that person. Also, when you finish taking care of that person, see that you do your hand hand wash properly. Hand wash is very, very important. Many people just wash hand like this, under the tap. So you are just washing this part of the hand. So I'll be making a separate video only on hand washing. Presently I'll just show you with my this thing, sanitizer, whether hand sanitizer or with your normal water with soap. The way you're supposed to clean your hands is there are different steps. So now this is my hand sanitizer. I'm taking it. First I rub this side, then I rub the back side of the hand. So both the back sides with the interfinger, so finger in between these fingers. Okay, then I'm going to these knuckles, okay, I'm just going to clean all the knuckles, okay, both the sides. Then the tip of the fingers, I'm going to clean the tip of the fingers. This part is always neglected, so clean this part this way, okay, both the sides. And after that you're going to clean your wrist. This is the way you are supposed to clean your hands, whether it is with soap and water or your any sanitizer. Now this is my sanitizer spray, so you are going to clean it that way, okay. I hope you got that. So it is not just only this, the all steps which I showed you, those you are going to those are the steps that you are going to do, okay. Now to all the people who are live and are watching me and asking me question, I'll be going through your question after I finish the talk. So I will give you answer next talk, okay, because it becomes difficult for me to track the time otherwise. Now that is about how to take care of yourself. I hope you got the answer. So wear your mask, wear your shield, hand washing, cleaning the person's plates and everything. Since he's an adult, please tell him to clean his plates and his clothes. He has to put his plates and clothes in a hot water for 30 minutes, hot water around 60 degrees. So 60 degrees when you put hand, it should be warm, okay. So 60, that in that he has to put that plate and cloth, and then he can wash it himself, because I do not want anything transferring to you since you are carrying another baby, okay. So if possible, let the husband wash. If it is not possible, then again put those things, whether plates, glasses, thali, anything, and the clothes in 60-degree water. And after that, after half an hour, you want to wash it in a regular way, okay, either washing machine or by hand.